Today we're going to be having a little investigation with these wheels. Absolutely miserable, raining on me. I'm going to get one of the wheels off. We're just going to verify some of the specs. I'm going to try on a wheel that I've already got just to verify what I've read online, because there is a bit of conflicting information, and then we'll see if the wheel style that I've chosen, if it's going to suit the vehicle or not, or if we go back to the drawing board. So roll the time lapse. Okay, what does that look like from there? Do we think that's better? Let me give you a bit of side profile. Ignore the tyre size, it's the wrong size for the car. There's the old dated looking ones, and that's something a little bit more in keeping of the style of the car. Or at least I think so. What do you think? Front or rear? These are 17-inch. Let's have a little look at the specs on the originals. So they should be 6.5 inches wide. That's 6.5 J, 16-inch by ET41, correct? If you can see that. SAIC motors, die-cast wheels. Part number 10317983. Okay, and as you might be able to tell, these are genuine MG wheels, even though I didn't have centre caps. These are off the HS, and online, if you believe what you read online, it says the HS has got a centre bore of 66.6 millimeters, and that's definitely not the case. The centre bore of the HS wheels is definitely smaller, and it fits well. It's got the right offset, it fits the arches properly. I just need to downsize the tyres a little bit, because those are a bit of a balloon tyre for that. But they also come with the tyre pressure monitoring sensors in them, so good to go. Here you go, just to dispel any of the information that you may read online. There goes to show that it is definitely the same centre bore as the VW, the smaller VW group cars. So you're looking at 57 mil. Online they say 57.1, so that is your centre bore, and your PCD, or the space in between the wheel bolts, is definitely 5 by 112, so it's definitely the same as most of the smaller VW group cars. And these HS wheels, they are part number 10378892, ET41 offset, 6.5 J wide by 17-inch. So they are the same width and the same offset as the original wheels. They're 1 inch larger in diameter, and I think a much better style. And that centre cap I popped out, so the centre caps are interchangeable. Of course, it's not the right colour, but there you go. Last point to mention, they are tapered bolts, so you will need to be careful if you're changing wheel bolts to make sure. These look like the M14 threaded ones, but make sure it's got the tapered seat so that the wheel bolt correctly seats down in the wheel, so that you can torque these down properly. I'm going to torque these to 120 Newton meters. You might have seen me quickly whiz them up with the impact gun. It's not how I'll ever leave wheels, but that was just to show. But let's get the torque wrench out and let's do it properly now. Put the original wheel back on until I can get all the tyres in the correct size, and we'll swap up to the 17s, see how we like the look. I do hate those little plastic bolt caps that they use these days. Bring back the old bolts that had the little stainless steel tips on them and always looked good, and they were just solid. You didn't have to mess around getting them out and worrying about scratching the wheels and damage and stuff. Anyway, that's it for today. For me, it will probably be a few days or weeks wait to get this all sorted and get the new wheels on. But for you, I'll just click my fingers. So what do we think about these wheels then? Do we think they suit the car? Or should they have just been left on the HS? Are they even an improvement over the originals in the looks department?